Introducing the future of basketball. Hoop. A smart basketball hoop that lets you play basketball with your friends. AI that can analyze your performance data live.
You can't beat me, man.
Head-to-head matchups. Personalized training.
Hey Joe, let's brush up on some fundamentals. Elbow in, high release, right off the fingertips. Great shot.
Worldwide competitions. It's an interactive,
No way.
competitive
Oh, you want to lose again? Okay, let's go.
hoop that makes you better. With a high-definition screen. The future of basketball is Hoop.